Hello, hamsters! Have you heard that there are hot and cold wallets? Do you know the difference between them? How not to get burned by one and freeze from the other? Let's figure it out! In previous videos, we only discussed the tip of the iceberg of crypto asset storage, custodial and non-custodial wallets. Be sure to watch that video if you haven't already. Let's get to our topic.
Let's go!
The main difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet is that the hot one is always connected to the internet. You can use it anytime you need. An account on X automatically gives you access to a hot wallet. Use it from any device. Additionally, all the money is stored on the service's servers or on your personal device. To put it another way, a hot wallet is suitable for daily use and recommended for storing small amounts. It's like handy online bank, but without the queues of hamsters. Hot wallets can be browser-based, desktop, and mobile. But we'll talk about this and other features next time. If you are already a wealthy hamster who has reached the Lord level and you want your assets to be safe, you should consider cold wallets for storing savings. But be warned, using them is not as convenient. They are not connected to the internet, meaning they store your keys offline, just like a peanut safe. A wallet can be a special device that you need to use for transactions with your assets, confirming each action manually, or even a piece of paper. Yes, you heard it right. A simple piece of paper with 12 or 24 words can be a crypto wallet. If you want to know more, write in the comments. And who knows, maybe the next episode of Hamster Academy will be about this very topic. So let's sum it up. Hot wallets are made for everyday use and cold wallets are for securely storing large amounts. Here's my recipe for storing peanuts. Cryptocurrency. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. Bye!